How to change Instagram message color on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Instagram application on your phone. Once you're here, tap the direct message icon in the top right corner. You will be taken to your chat list. Select and open the conversation you want to change the color of. On the chat screen, tap the person's name at the top to open the chat details. In the chat settings, tap on the theme option as shown to view available customizations. Here, you can browse through various themes and colors for your chat background. Select any theme you like, and you will get to see a preview of it. The preview shows the new colors. Tap on Apply at the bottom to confirm your choice. You can go back to the chat to see the new background and message colors. Following these steps, you can easily change the Instagram message color on an iPhone.